In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card to your Stripe account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a startup owner, a freelancer, or someone just getting started with online payments, having your debit card set up on Stripe can streamline your financial transactions. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to the Stripe website. Simply open your web browser and type in stripe.com into the address bar. Once the homepage has loaded, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you need to enter your email and password associated with your Stripe account. Ensure that you use the credentials you registered with. If you've forgotten them, there's an easy option to reset your password right below the login fields. After you've filled in your details, go ahead and click the Sign In button. This will grant you access to the dashboard, which is essentially the home for managing everything related to your Stripe account. Now, once you find yourself on the home page of your dashboard, look towards the bottom left of your screen. You'll find a gear icon that represents settings. Click on settings and a menu will appear that contains various sections of your account configuration. Within the settings menu, you'll want to navigate to product settings. This section includes all the options and tools to customize what Stripe can do for you. Now, under the product settings, you will see an option labeled payments. Go ahead and click on that. It will direct you to the payments page where you'll set up and manage different payment methods. On the payments page, look for payment methods and select it. This option is crucial as it lists all potential payment methods you can activate for transactions. Scroll down through this list until you find the card option. Once you find it, it's time to turn it on. By clicking turn on, you're enabling Stripe to accept debit card payments. This activation expands the range of payment methods your business can handle through Stripe. And there you have it, you've successfully added a debit card to your Stripe account. With this setup, managing and processing payments becomes so much more seamless and efficient. Remember, having multiple payment methods can enhance your customer experience by providing them with flexibility and ease when making payments on your platform.